How to add reels to Instagram story on the new update. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add reels to your Instagram story on the new update, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to add Instagram reels to your story, now because of the recent update the option is a little bit different, so I want you to watch very carefully. Now just make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. To make sure of that, open up your Play Store and then just search for Instagram. If it shows update button instead of open, then it most likely means that it needs an update, and if it doesn't show, then it means that your app is already updated to the latest version. Now once you've done that, I want you to open up Instagram, make sure that you're signed into the account, then just go to the Reels tab that you can find here. Now all you need to do is just tap the DMs icon as you would normally do before. Now previously what we had was this option called add to story at the very top, but now that option has been shifted and then moved to the bottom left of the screen instead. So here at the bottom left you'll find the add to story option, and you'll be able to see other social media icons next to it. Tap on add to story option, and then the reel will be added back into your story. As you can see here, it says introducing longer stories, and this way you can add reels to your Instagram story on the new update. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.